Hi, you guys. Welcome back to Meaningful Motivations with Tracy Erickson. And of course, if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Tracy Erickson, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the crystal Amazonite and all of the benefits that you could receive by working with this crystal. So stay tuned. Dating as far back as 16,000 BCE, the ancient Sumerian and Babylonian culture actually used Amazonite to carve and shape their seals. And even in the ancient Egyptian times, they held the Amazonite crystal in a very high regard. There is a reason for this crystal being beloved by cultures since way back in ancient times. And this is an amazing crystal to balance the energies and to really connect with truth and love. If you like to work with crystals, you will love my handmade products from Tracy's Apothecary. Tracy's Apothecary is my Etsy shop where I infuse the energy of essential oils and crystals to create unique products that are produced in a sacred space and with strong intentions. Bring spirituality into your daily life with Tracy's Apothecary. If you want to check it out, go to tracysapothecary.etsy.com. I really love the blue-green color of the Amazonite crystal. This crystal connects to the heart as well as the throat chakra. So that means that this crystal can help you to connect with the energies of expressing yourself from your highest truth, from your heart. And this crystal is also well known for balancing masculine and feminine energies. So this crystal will help you come to an understanding of when action is necessary and when receptivity is necessary. The Amazonite crystal is another high vibration crystal that helps your mind to remain optimistic, even through life's obstacles and challenges. Again, with it helping you to express from your highest truth through your heart chakra. This crystal can help you to mend many different areas of life, including relationships, your career, and even your own relationships to your very own goals. Because again, this crystal is helping you to balance the masculine and feminine energies that exist within each and every one of our beings. So as you begin to balance these opposite energies, and as you refine your truth through your heart chakra, the Amazonite is also helping to calm your nervous system, because this crystal also has a very, very calming effect that can ease tension, not only in your mind, but also in your body. The Amazonite crystal is an amazing crystal to use even throughout healing, just to offer that calm in body and mind so that you can allow your body to rest and heal. And I've decided to also share with you what Judy Hall has to say about Amazonite in the Encyclopedia of Crystals. It says here, with its powerful filtering action, Amazonite blocks geopathic stress and, placed between you and the source, absorbs microwaves and cell phone emanations, protecting against electromagnetic pollution. It is particularly useful for illnesses caused by oversensitivity to environmental influences and electromagnetic smog. Filtering information passing through the brain and combining intellect with intuition, Amazonite allows you to see both sides of an argument and reach your own conclusions, supporting self-determination. Releasing grief from the emotional body from whatever time span it occurred. This stone creates emotional balance and facilitates constructive expression of what has formerly been left unsaid. Aligning the physical body with the etheric, Amazonite assists in maintaining optimum health. It is of particular benefit to musicians and writers. Since there are so many amazing benefits, physical, intellectual, emotional, and spiritual, this crystal is amazing to work with for anyone, male or female. It doesn't matter who you are, because this crystal is going to help you to express your truth from a place of loving understanding. So if you want to use Amazonite in your life to receive these amazing benefits, then there are many ways that you can use this crystal. One very good way that you could actually use Amazonite in your day-to-day life would be to wear it as a necklace. Now, the reason I say specifically a necklace is because then the crystal can hang right around your throat and heart chakra. And that is really going to benefit those chakras in the movement of energies, right? But you can also place this crystal just near you, in your pocket, in your purse, in your bra, like any other crystal that we've talked about. Either way, whether you're wearing it and carrying it with you, placing it on a crystal grid, or just someplace in your home where you can see it and give it energy each and every day, just make sure that when you're using the Amazonite, you set strong intentions for what you want to accomplish. Your goals and intentions should be infused into the use of the crystal so that you're not just receiving extra energy in different areas of your life without awareness. So if you use your intentions wisely, then you're also putting awareness into the areas of your life that you want to improve, and you're amplifying that using the energy of crystals. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. So if you like this video, be sure to click that like button and share this video with all your friends out there. And of course, if you're a viewer but not yet a subscriber, I would just love for you to click subscribe down below. And once you have subscribed, you can turn on the notifications bell if you would like to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.